Hey there, welcome to this beginner-friendly tutorial. We'll see how basic AI videos turn into great ones. This is just the start of what's possible. Ready to get started?
Welcome to Digital Hustle Academy, your ultimate guide to mastering digital skills and making money online.
If you've ever tried making an AI video and thought, why does this look so weird and robotic? You're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you a super simple 7-step formula that helps you create much better, more natural looking AI videos, even if you're completely new to this. No complicated words, no stress, just easy steps you can follow right away. By the end, you'll be able to turn a basic idea into a nice video. Let's make this fun and easy together. In this video, we'll go through 7 easy steps together. You'll learn how to describe your character clearly, add movement, choose a nice background, and more. I'll show you weak examples and strong examples, the ones that don't work well and the ones that look way better. Don't worry if it feels new, I'll explain everything slowly. You've got this.
Quick tips before we begin. Give your AI generator clear instruction, just like giving direction to a good friend.
Step 1 is all about your main person or character. On the left, a weak character is blurry and unengaging. On the right, a strong character is clear and relatable.
Weak way. Just say a man talking. The AI gets confused and makes something random. Better way. A young African male teacher wearing a crisp white shirt, speaking confidently to the camera. Add simple detail like age, what they are wearing, and how they look. This helps the AI create a consistent and nicer character. Think of it like describing a friend, so someone can draw them accurately.
Step 2, tell the AI what the person is actually doing.
Instead of just talking, try speaking clearly and smiling while explaining something simple. Use easy words like smiling, gesturing with hands, or looking friendly at the camera. This makes the video feel alive and natural instead of stiff.
Step 3, describe where everything is happening. Here's the before, a clean, simple classroom. And now, the after, a vibrant, engaging space. Difference? A simple before and after.
Example, in a bright, friendly classroom with big windows letting in sunlight and a few students sitting at desk, a good setting makes your video feel more real and professional, just like a real place, not just empty space.
For free. Join our WhatsApp community, the Digital Hustle Academy, for creators to connect and grow together.
Step 4, tell the AI what style you want. On the left is a plain video, on the right is the cinematic version. See the difference? Just ask for the style you want. It's that simple.
Simple option for beginners in a realistic style or like a friendly YouTube video. You can say shot in a clear, realistic style like a normal video. This helps the AI know if you want something natural or a bit more polished.
Step 5, add lighting and mood to make it feel nice. See how flat lighting makes everything look dull? Now watch as we add warm, soft light. It makes your content more appealing.
Try with soft, bright, natural daylight, making everything look warm and friendly. Good lighting makes the video look brighter, clearer, and more inviting, like a sunny day instead of a dark room.
Step 6, let's add a little camera movement so it doesn't feel static. See this gentle, slow zoom? It keeps the focus on my face and the message.
An easy example with a slow, smooth zoom in on the teacher as she speaks, or keep the camera steady with gentle focus on the person's face. This small addition makes your video feel much more like real footage. The full easy prompt example. A cinematic but realistic video of a confident young African male teacher in his late 20s, wearing a clean white shirt, speaking friendly and clearly to the camera while explaining something simple. He is in a bright modern classroom with soft natural sunlight from the windows, warm and welcoming feeling. Slow gentle zoom in clear, realistic quality. Now, let us see the outcome of what we just said.
Welcome to our classroom. I'm so excited to explore history with you this semester. We have a lot of interesting topics to cover.
Copy this, change a few words for your own idea, and try it in your favorite AI video tool. You will see a big improvement. The AI tool I'm using is SuperGrok AI.
Don't worry if the first try isn't perfect. Just change one small thing and try again. Small changes equal this a big improvements. Small steps lead to great results.
For example, change the lighting from bright to warm golden light, or add smile more. Practice makes it easier. Every time you try, you get better. That's how all creators improve.
Here are my top easy tips. Start with short prompts. You don't need to write a long essay. Always describe the person first. Add lighting and a little camera movement. These two make a huge difference. Test your prompt a couple of times and pick the best result. Have fun and don't be afraid to experiment. Great job! You now know the simple 7-step formula to create much better AI videos.
Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips to master your digital hustle.